Welcome. If you want to transfer data from iPhone to your new iPhone 12 mini, at first you have to go for the App Store on both devices and download the application to transfer data. So I can recommend you this application, Send Anywhere. So let's get it on our second iPhone and on our first iPhone 12 mini. So let's type Send Anywhere and let's get it. Now we have to wait a little bit. Right now we can open this up on iPhone. By the way, it's iPhone SE. So here we have to grant the permission and accept everything that pops on our screen. Right now open on iPhone 12 mini and it's going to happen the same. So click allow, OK. And right now we can send photos, videos, contacts and other files. But it's only example, so I will take maybe this pictures and this screenshot. We selected 3 files, so to send them we have to click right here. On iPhone 12 mini we have to move to the receive, click on the input key and input this 6-digit pin right here. So it's 36909 and 3. Click receive. Click OK, and as you can see the transfer is complete. So let's check if we got these files on our Google Photos, and as you can see here we got it in the library, and we can also send it to albums and the recents and on the Send Anywhere file. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!